probably the fastest sauce you can make for ice cream. It's got a real Christmas feel to it because it's got a combination of beautiful Christmas style spices. Now we want to make this into a syrup, so I'll place the red wine into a pot and bring it to the boil. You want to use a red wine that's got big and bold flavors such as Shiraz or a Cabernet Sauvignon. Now I'll add some sugar, just caster sugar, and this will start to melt in with the wine, and what will happen is it'll reduce. While it's reducing, we want to add our whole spices, cinnamon, 2 star anise, and lots of cloves. And then give that a toss and you'll see that alcohol cooking off. And then it'll start to subdue. Let this cook for about 10 minutes. Then I'll add 2 punnets of our beautiful fresh blueberries. They're going to be coated in the syrup and they'll become really glossy, perfect for ice cream. Now the blueberries and red wine have cooled down a little bit. They're super glossy. So to serve this, what I have is some ice cream. And then under the ice cream, I have some crushed Anzac biscuits, which go really nicely with this very simple blueberry dessert. I'll top our ice cream with our blueberries, and then that syrup can go straight over the top. That is such a quick dessert to do. Blueberries, they're delicious just for snacks, but you can see they also make very simple, very elegant desserts.